What's up, guys? How are you doing? This is Bayo and another series of life in Lagos. Today, actually, I saw this guy outside digging a path here, and he looks jacked, like ripped, so jacked. He has abs and all types of stuff. So I was like, I need a workout this morning, so I might as well do something productive and do some sledgehammers. Let me show you guys how jacked he is. All right, there it is. How are you, sir?
I'm fine.
Yeah, thank you for letting me join you on your work today.
You're welcome, sir.
So I would love to help you finish some of your work to get a workout in. So I can join you.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any extra of this one?
Yes, I have it.
Oh yeah, please bring it. That's the one I want.
Yes, sir.
I'll use that one and the shovel.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. All right, guys, that is my workout for the morning, Spartan style. Some people do labor work for a living, but I'm always on the computer working. So I have to counteract it with doing workouts. But why not help somebody else that's actually doing it to make money? Maybe I can help him finish his job faster. And besides, guys, I wanted to share a tool that I got so I can start doing cross training in front of our house. I got turf. I'm so excited. If you guys can see it. So this is gonna be so much fun. Yeah. So I'm gonna be doing my workouts and my burpees here. But anyways, it's time to get to work. Peace. How deep do you want me to go, sir? That's fine, okay, right there. That's very fast. Guys, I already need a break. Alright, so I'm giving him some time to clear out more rocks. I'm gonna take a quick water break. Whew. Anyways, that's my labor work, my workout for this morning. So once he gains a little traction, and then I'll go back and help him get the sand out again. So what they're doing is they're running wires for fiber internet here to get super fast internet, which I am so excited about. I feel ripped already. Man, I need to do this every morning. Alright, see you guys soon. So it's okay to damage the rocks.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's back.
Okay, I wasn't sure. That's why I was being careful on the edges. Okay, so it's okay. Okay.
That's why they said I should move to the big line.
Okay.
So anyone comes in.
It's okay. Okay. That will make it easier then. What's up, guys? So what we're doing is we're pretty much let me see. So yeah, so we're pretty much removing the rocks and then digging a hole. And the idea is for fiber optic cables to run through this complex. But man, this is intense work. I'm already tired. I'm losing energy, so I need a break, grab some water, and then gonna be back at it. I at least want to help him finish the whole sidewalk, and then I'll go take a shower and start the rest of my day. Anyways, thanks guys for joining me on this journey, and thank you for letting me join you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm.